in the Flying Lizards Porsche.
Yep.
Leading the championship, leading the class.
And once again, GT2 has been an absolutely incredible battle. I mean, they've got 4 cars on the lead lap. Oh, that's panels. That's the Robertson car we were talking about earlier, the one that is being observed. Oh, he's had a collision, hasn't he, with Dumbreck? That's Peter Dumbreck, and that car, they've been in contact, I think. He's got a flat front left tyre.
Or the bodywork's being bent back onto the...
Oh dear, we didn't see that. We're looking at Peter's feet, not out of the car. So that was right in front of the start-finish line. Well, no, I can't see that Peter was anywhere near him, but maybe it happened round the corner. And luckily, the panels didn't hit the wall hard, did it? Just here we go. Ah, he did hit him. Yeah, Peter, you're about to get a drive-through or even a stop-go.
Oops, and that
big avoidance there. That's Saito Sport car.